Installing an inside mount wood blind is easy. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a tape measure, a pencil, a power drill, and a drill bit. The manufacturer will have included 2 brackets. One will be for the right and one will be for the left. Take the bracket to the left, open up what I call the door, stick it right up in the corner where you're going to be mounting. And go ahead and mark your pencil marks. We're going to be pre-drilling some holes for your screws. And do the same thing on the other side. The manufacturer will include valance clips with your order. I encourage you to put the valance clips onto the headrail before you try to put the blind into the window, because once you get the blind in the window, there's very little room left to get valance clips attached to the headrail. Now just go ahead and put your blind in your window. Go ahead and push up slightly to release the locking mechanism. If you have any more questions about how to install your blind, please give us a call at 888-214-4144.
It's a tough one. There we go. Oh, there's still more to go.